Hello friends, in this quick video I would like to share with you all a latest feature of our app GBPGM app which you are using to manage your Google business profile. Guys, it's not a feature. In fact, we have introduced Gemini AI in our application. Previously it was having only Chat GPT and Chat GPT went paid. They stopped providing the free version which they used to provide for 3 months of time, but they have stopped providing it, and now Google's Gemini AI, which is much more powerful, has been introduced there, and it's absolutely free for you all in this application. Whether you are free user or you are premium user, you can use Gemini AI very easily in this. You don't need to use Chat GPT anymore. Now let's see what you have to do, how you can enable Gemini AI. So guys, after selecting your business profile, when you go to this home section like this, you must be knowing that there was additional setting which is still there, and in this additional setting you used to add the Chat GPT key here below. But now for Gemini AI you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything if you have not added a Chat GPT key. Like if you want to use Chat GPT, still you want to use Chat GPT, we have not removed that. What you can do is you can come here and enable this toggle button and input your Chat GPT key. But for using Gemini AI you don't need to do anything. If your Chat GPT is already enabled, come here and just disable it. This gray is disabled, and when we click and this blue color appears, that means Chat GPT is enabled. So you have to keep it disabled to use Gemini AI. You don't have to do anything if you are a new user. For old users who are using Chat GPT, you have to disable it. That's all. And if you still want to use Chat GPT, you can do that. It's already there, guys. Apart from this, guys, you can view your report of the tokens used, which is normally used in GeoGrid, local search rank, or category finder. Premium users get tokens, and those tokens are utilized in this application in few features. So that utilization you can check in this view logs report. How many tokens were used in which particular instance on what date, you can now view that. So guys, if you have not started using GBPGM app, do it today, guys. This is a necessity of every business. You can use free version if you don't want to go for premium version, but premium version is also very affordable as far as its results are concerned. Thousands of Google business profiles have gained their ranking through this tool. So guys, we'll meet in another video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.